And it's been about 2 weeks. I ordered the correct board. Actually, I ordered a board. Turned out it wasn't the correct one. It was the right chipset and the right, where'd it go? Board number. Where is it? That part. But this is key, at least for my LED monitor. So this is the old one. There it is right there, those numbers. And this is the replacement. So what we're looking for is this information right here. I'm going to hold it as steady as I can for a bit here, so in case you need to order it, make sure you include all of these numbers, digits, whatever. And I got mine from TV Parts Today. They were awesome. Quick delivery. Overnight. Although, because of the weekend, I didn't grab my mail till today. All right, so let's get this swapped out. One thing to note is that there's this little plastic piece that goes there on the back when you screw it in. So make sure you include that. All right, let's do this. Okay, there it is. There's the new board. The ribbons have been clipped in place. Just to clarify, that plastic piece came off the old board underneath, and I put it underneath this board, just lined it all up, and then screwed it all in. It has some adhesive on it, so that's how that works. All right, so this is what we call the moment of truth. This is the board for the power, volume, and all that stuff, so it just makes it easier. All right, we're going to turn it on. I said we're going to turn it on. Do I see backlights? No backlights. What's going on? There it is, backlights. And I'm going to lift it, and we'll see what happens. Oh, you got to be kidding me. Boo. So it's not the T-Con board. All right, so it's the panel. Now I got to look at replacing the panel and maybe sending back the T-Con board. Actually, it was only like $12-15, but another $13-15 in overnight shipping. All right. At this point, just looking at replacing the panel, I just might get a new TV. Let me see how much the panel costs. All right, we'll see.